Now we are going to open our terminal by clicking Ctrl Alt and T. Sudo cp catalin slash catalin py slash user slash bin slash catalin. Okay, then hit enter. So enter your password. So after this we are going to access the permission by passing the command as sudo chmod plus x slash user slash bin slash catalin. Hit enter. So if you written correctly, it will be accepted. Then later we are going to pass it as sudo catalin. So after it entering, so you will get a new window like this. So after this you're going to, so it is stated that before updating your system, please remove all the Kali Linux operating system to avoid any kind of problems. As I said earlier, so you need to remove this. I will show you how to remove all the repositories to avoid any problems there. So here, first thing, we are going to add the Kali Linux repositories, that is and update. So let me check this. Hit 1 and hit enter. So before adding the Kali Linux repository, let us check by going to the contents of the source list by hitting 4. So here we cannot find the Kali Linux repository. So after adding, you will be getting the Kali Linux repository. So to do that, hit 1 to add the Kali Linux repositories. So it is going to access it. Wait for few seconds. It will be going to download or install it. So after this, we are going to update it. Hit 2 and enter it. So now it is going to download and install in our system. Wait for few seconds. Based upon your internet connection and based upon your system performance, so it is going to take time. I am repeating once again, before upgrading your system, please remove Kali Linux repositories so that you are not going to lose your operating system. It takes some time because my net is slow. Let's wait for installation. Linux repository, let us check by pressing 4. So now we can see this repository has been added. Before it was not there, now it has been added. So after this we'll go back. So here we'll go for the viewing the categories. What are the categories? So here by pressing all So we have different categories, information gathering. Whichever the category you want to hack it, you're going to install it. If you want to install all, you're going to press it 0. Or else if you want only wireless attacks, so then you are going to press it 3 and it is going to install it. Okay, so it has, you can see here wireless attacks has been. So again we have different kinds of wireless attacks repositories. So whichever you want you can install. If you want to install all the wireless attacks, you can press 0 and we are going to see now it is going to install it. Great. So it has been installed. So some of the this kind of. So after installing, so we are going to come back to get rid of this. Again we are going to enter back. So again we are going to give it as back. So after this we are going to remove it before going for updatings. So 1 we are going to give it. So now we are going to remove this by pressing entering 3. So now it has been said that all has been deleted. Once again we'll press it 3. So let us check with the repository is there or not. We cannot find that Kali Linux repository, it was here, so now we cannot see that. So this is how we are going to install it. If you like the video, please do subscribe. If you like the video, hit a like button and share the video. Thank you.